Okay, look, I know this isn't what I said to be making. However, he is right there. So, I mean, still kinda counts. Hey, do you remember a little over a year ago when I made those keys from Lock and Key? Yeah, well, let's just say I made some more. Problem is, I've been storing them all in the same box, and well, it doesn't look as good now. So let's just make a better one, shall we? Well, I mean, I've already made the box, but just shut up. And here's what it looks like. It's got a little compartment at the top for the Alpha and Omega key. It also has drawers for the rest of the keys, and that's about it. That's all the parts of the box. I mean, drawers make more sense, but I mean, it was meant to be a box, so well, the cool thing about it is I don't have to worry about sanding it since it's going to be stored up on the shelf, so no one's going to get a close enough look at it anyway. Sadly, it's still not unavoidable. When I made the drawers, I made them too wide, so I have to sand them back a bit. Well, now the drawers aren't so tight, we just need to paint it. Much like the last one, I'm just going to paint the whole thing black. And just to give it a little more spice, I want to paint little details on top with gold. Well, unlike last time, I'm not going to list off all the keys. However, I'm hopefully going to do a better glamour shot this time. Right, well, thanks for watching. Yeah. Next month will actually be Spring Bonnie, and I'll even make a Spring Trap one, because why not, right? Yeah. So, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next month.